Hi, my name is Olivia Bayer. So for our multimodal project, we based it off of a genre analysis paper we wrote. And the genre analysis was you could choose 3 articles in the same genre, and so that's what I did. And I picked 3 genres from environmental studies and I picked the abstract genre because there's a chance that in my professional career I'm gonna have to write an abstract. So it would be helpful to know what exactly I'm supposed to write and what my audience will be looking for. Something that would be helpful for this project is identifying what an abstract even is. So abstracts come before the research paper and are not part of the main text, and they're a brief summary of what the research paper will talk about. For my project, I chose 3 abstracts from the environmental studies field that were co-authored by professors here at UNC Asheville, and they all the research was conducted in the Southern Appalachian Mountains. The main question of my research is how can you even identify an abstract in environmental studies? And I found that environmental studies abstracts have similar layouts, but differ in the style choices made by the author, the rhetoric. And I found that each abstract has an introduction, an investigation, how the research was conducted, and the results of the research, and that there are cue words that lead into each section. So the introduction is where the background information is given, and occasionally the problem to why this even needed to be researched. It then moves on to the investigation, and this is clearly stated with a "we investigated," which is one of the cue words that is often used. The abstract then moves on to how the research was conducted, which is stated with another cue word, which is "we conducted." And finally, the abstract moves on to the results of the research. And the results of the research are similar throughout all 3 abstracts, besides differing from the actual research that was conducted. They use our data suggests to the results suggest and what we found was. And the next 3 slides contain images of the abstracts, and I underline the different cue words. The blue underline is the research that was conducted. The purple underline is the results. Oh, and the green underline is the investigation that was conducted. So this was the first abstract I chose. It uses "we investigated," "we conducted," and "we found." The second abstract uses "we investigated," "we measured," and "the results suggest." And then the third abstract uses "we quantified," "we used," and "our data suggests." And this layout is fairly universal in research-based abstracts from the social sciences to the natural sciences. And a question I want to leave you with today is, are there cue words in your discourse community? And if so, what are they? Thank you for your time. Are there any questions? All right.